Analyze the visual evidence. Examine the concentration time graph provided in the sources for the interval between T1 and T2. During this specific period, the lines representing the concentrations of H2, N2, and NH3 are all flat and horizontal, indicating that the concentrations of all species are constant. Identify the state of the system. In chemistry, when the concentrations of reactants and products in a reversible reaction remain constant over time, the system has reached a state of chemical equilibrium. Apply the definition of dynamic equilibrium. The fundamental characteristic of chemical equilibrium is that it is dynamic, not static. This means that both the forward and reverse reactions are still occurring, but they are happening at the exact same rate. Relate rates to the graph. Because the rate of the forward reaction, forming NH3, is equal to the rate of the reverse reaction, decomposing NH3, there is no net change in the amount of any substance. This perfectly explains the plateau observed on the graph between T1 and T2. Conclusion: therefore, statement D is correct because it accurately describes the defining condition of a system at equilibrium. The correct answer is option D. The rates of the forward and reverse reactions were equal.